morning, dear children. As we were reading the plant kingdom topic, I hope yesterday in the class, the live class, you enjoyed the one-on-one interaction about the plants, the seeing the trees, about after seeing the various uh, kinds of plants, the small herbs and shrubs, and then when we all discussed together how plants can be growing in different areas and places and what can be the basis of their classification on the base of their shape and size. So we read in the class all together up till herbs. Now we were about to start the climbers. I once again read that trees, some plants are very tall. These tall plants are called trees. They have strong and thick stem called trunk. Yesterday in the live class, I showed you the trunk of the plants, the trunk of the trees. Now, trees live for many years. For example, mango, banyan, people, apple, coconut, and bamboo. Then shrubs. Some plants are smaller than trees. They have hard stem with many branches. Such plants are called shrubs. They live for a few years, like China rose, hibiscus, cotton rose, and tulsi, basil are some example of shrubs. Herbs. Some plants are very small. They have thin, soft stem. They live for one season or for a few months. Such plants are called herbs. For example, grass, mint, spinach, coriander, rice, and wheat. Then, now we study about the climbers. Now, some plants cannot stand erect. They have weak stem. They need support to climb upon. Such plants are called climbers. Money plant, bitter gourd, grapevine, that is the grape plant, and pea plant are few examples of climbers. Climbers generally live for a few months, but some may live for years. Now, some climbers may live for years and years, but basically they live for few months only, for few years. And money plant, bitter gourd, this grapevine, pea plant, these are our climbers. Now, creepers. Now, we'll study about creepers. Climbers mean something climbing up. So, they climb. They cannot climb. They need support. They climb up. Now, creepers, crawlies, like they are on the ground only. They cannot move here. They move on the ground only. They cannot go up. वो ऊपर नहीं उठ पाते. Some plants have weak stem. They grow along the ground. Such plants are called creepers. Pumpkin, watermelon, and cucumber are few examples of creepers. Now till now we were studying the classification on the basis of shape and size. That means big or small shape and the size. Okay. Now, classification as per their growing places. Plants grow on land, on mountain, on hills, in deserts, and in water. Land plants. Plants that you see in your garden are land plants. For example, rose, jasmine, tulsi, and mango. These all are land plants. These all grow on land. Water plants. What is a water plant? Plants such as lotus, water lily, and hydrilla grow in water. They are called water plants or aquatic plants. That means they grow in water only. Desert plants, plants like acacia and cactus grow in deserts and dry area. They are called desert plants or xerotypes. Now these stereotypes means these are the plants that generally grow cactus and all that grow in deserts only. Mountain plants, plants like deodar and pine grow on mountains. They are called mountain plants. Like the plant, our Christmas tree, they are now it is grown everywhere, but basically the Christmas trees are found in the mountain areas and especially the areas where it is very cold. Lot of snow and all is there. So these are the plants that grow in mountains, Now, the basis of their classification is on land. If someone says a mango plant, it is a land plant. If someone says a lotus, it is a water plant. If you say about a cactus, it is a desert plant. If you say pine, it is a mountain plant. So, the classification of these plants are done on the basis of the places where they grow. Now, after this, my dear children, you read this chapter nicely again and again so that you can go through them and then you try to do the exercise. Then you try to cover the exercise of the chapter. Okay, and I'll be along with that attaching a page where you can see and write in your book, that is page 11, which is not there in this PDF. That is page 11. You'll do the word B. Your homework is to do the word B. Then plants as per their shape and size. We will read about them. And then plant as per their growing places. We'll read about them in the next class. A review of that. So plants may vary in their shape and size. Trees may be tall or strong. Shrubs can be big and hard stems. Herbs are small plants with soft stem. Climbers that are weak but need support to climb. Creepers that are very weak and cannot grow, so they grow along the ground only. Okay, and plants as per the growing places is that they grow on land, water, desert, and mountain. So, children, try to read the chapter, do the word B on page 11, and and try to do the exercises. We'll be discussing the exercises in the next class. Okay, children. So please read the chapter. See you in the next class. Bye.